Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So we've got a release from Perth Mint. Normally this would be an unboxing, but we accidentally already unboxed it. So just imagine a box around this and we're going to tear it open and make it a bit quicker. But Perth Mint have finally released the 2021 Emu. So always a real popular coin. This is obviously the gold version of it. So this is the 2021 Gold Emu. Limited to 5,000 produced of these this year. Now we have the 1 ounce for sale in the gold, but unfortunately these are another of the private mintages through Perth Mint, so they're very difficult to get hold of, and we are unable to source the silver at this stage. We've only got the gold in stock. So if you're after the silver, really sorry on that one, but we do have the gold in stock right now, so you can go to the website and purchase it at will. That's it for now. Just a quick glance at that one. We'll talk again soon and share this one around. See ya.